What if I told you there is a way to make AI actually work for you instead of just talking to you? I am not talking about generating more content or writing another email draft. I am talking about an AI that lives on your own server, connects to your phone, and handles real tasks while you sleep, booking appointments, monitoring deals, managing files, even securing the server it runs on. This is Clawdbot, now called OpenClaw, and it finally delivers on what we thought AI would do 2 years ago. My name is Paul James, and I help people turn free AI tools into real business leverage without paying for expensive subscriptions or complicated software. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level. Here's the problem most of us face with AI right now. We ask it questions, it gives us answers, and then nothing happens. You still have to copy and paste, manually execute, and babysit every single step. AI became this fancy search engine instead of the assistant we were promised. OpenClaw changes that entire dynamic because it is not just conversational, it is operational. This is what I call the autonomous execution framework. Most AI tools stop at the conversation layer. They give you information but require you to take action. OpenClaw operates at the execution layer. You send a message from your phone and it performs the task completely. No copy and paste, no switching between apps, just results. Let me show you how this works in simple terms. OpenClaw is an open source project you can install on any machine. Now you could buy a Mac Mini or dedicate an old laptop, but here is why that is actually a terrible idea. Your home network exposes your bot to security risks, no professional firewall, your residential IP gets flagged by services, plus you are paying $600 to $1,000 upfront for hardware that sits in your house consuming power. Here is where things get interesting. Hostinger just launched one-click deployment for OpenClaw on their VPS infrastructure, which means you get enterprise-level security, professional data center reliability, and actual uptime guarantees for $7 to $10 per month. No hardware purchase, no exposed home network, no electricity costs, and you can skip all the technical setup that used to take an hour or more. You select a plan, click deploy, and your AI assistant goes live in under 5 minutes with everything pre-configured. Once it is running, you connect it to WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, or your preferred messaging app. From that point forward, you can message your AI assistant from anywhere, and it handles tasks autonomously. The key difference is it actually does things instead of just suggesting them. Here is where things get wild. OpenClaw uses what are called skills. These are lightweight guides written in Markdown format that teach your AI how to use specific tools or complete specific workflows. The community builds these skills and shares them publicly. So when you want your AI to monitor spreadsheets, track flight prices, or manage your calendar, you just install the relevant skill and your assistant gains that capability immediately. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. OpenClaw can manage the actual machine it lives on. If you ask it to improve security settings, it scans your server configuration, proposes changes, and implements them after you approve. If you need software installed, it handles that too. This level of autonomy is something I have never seen in an AI tool before. Most people never realize this part. Because OpenClaw runs on your own server using your own API keys, you control every aspect of how it operates. No third-party company managing your data, no usage limits beyond what your API provider sets. You own the entire system. And when you run it on Hostinger VPS, you get full root access, meaning complete control over your environment without restrictions. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started, but Hostinger makes it easy. Here is why this matters for creators and freelancers building service businesses. Imagine you offer social media management as a service. You could set up OpenClaw to monitor your clients' mentions across platforms, summarize engagement twice daily, and alert you when something needs immediate attention. That is a service businesses pay for, and you are delivering it with automated leverage instead of manual labor every single day. Or think about local businesses that need reputation management. You set up OpenClaw to track reviews across Google, Yelp, and Facebook. When a new review appears, it alerts you instantly with a sentiment analysis and a suggested response draft. You review it, approve it, send it to your client. They see you responding within minutes instead of hours. That is a competitive advantage you can charge for. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now, let me break down the setup process because it is stupidly simple compared to what it used to be. You head over to Hostinger using the link in my description. That landing page is specifically built for Clawdbot, now called OpenClaw. You select the KVM2 plan, which gives you 2 virtual CPUs, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 100 gigabytes of NVMe SSD storage running on AMD EPYC processors. That setup handles multiple bots and automations without breaking a sweat. Click Deploy, and the OpenClaw application gets automatically selected. After you complete the purchase, a configuration screen appears where you set your environment variables. That means connecting your AI provider like ChatGPT or Claude, choosing your messaging platform, and setting your preferences. Complete the configuration, confirm the setup, and your bot launches. The entire installation comes ready to go with everything pre-configured. No command line work, no troubleshooting dependencies, it just works. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Running OpenClaw on your own VPS through Hostinger costs about 4 times less than hosted bot solutions that charge monthly per seat fees. You are paying maybe $7 to $10 per month for the server, plus whatever AI API credits you already use. That is it. No additional licensing, no feature gating, no limits on how many bots or workflows you can run. Let me give you a concrete example of how this workflow actually plays out. Say you run a consulting business and prospects fill out intake forms on your website. You connect OpenClaw to your form system through a webhook. When a new submission comes in, your AI assistant reads the responses, categorizes the lead by urgency and fit, drafts a personalized follow-up email, and sends you a message with all the context plus the draft ready to review. You approve or adjust, and it goes out. That entire sequence happens in under 2 minutes without you opening your laptop. This is where everything clicks. The skill system means you are not limited to what comes out of the box. The community constantly builds new capabilities. Need to track competitor pricing? Someone probably built that skill already. Want to automate report generation from analytics data? There is likely a skill for that too. And if there is not, you can write your own instructions in plain Markdown. For freelancers and consultants, this means you can offer services that would normally require a team of virtual assistants or expensive automation platforms. Think about audit and diagnostic services as your entry point. You tell clients you will run a comprehensive analysis of their online presence, review performance, identify issues, and deliver a detailed report with recommendations. Behind the scenes, OpenClaw is pulling data, checking metrics, cross-referencing best practices, and compiling everything into a structured document. You review it, add your strategic insights, and deliver something that looks like 20 hours of work but took you 90 minutes. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You have 3 or 4 clients paying you monthly retainers for services that OpenClaw handles autonomously while you focus on strategy and client relationships. You close more deals because you can deliver faster than competitors who still do everything manually, and you scale without hiring because your AI assistant operates 24 hours a day. Here's what separates this from other AI tools. OpenClaw uses scheduled tasks and webhooks, not just message responses. You can set it to check specific conditions every few hours, monitor prices, scan for opportunities, track deadlines. When something matches your criteria, it takes action or alerts you. This is true automation, not just on-demand assistance. And because your data stays on your own server, you have complete privacy and security without worrying about third-party access. Plus, unlike running this on a Mac Mini in your house, Hostinger VPS gives you automatic security updates and isolated server environments that keep your bot protected from network attacks that home setups cannot handle. For beginners trying to build income, start with simple client services. Offer to set up monitoring systems for local businesses. A restaurant wants to know when they get mentioned online. A real estate agent needs lead tracking from multiple sources. A fitness studio wants appointment confirmations automated. These are all services you can deliver using OpenClaw plus the right skills and integrations. Picture how much easier content creation becomes once this becomes your normal. You send a voice message to your AI assistant asking for research on a specific topic. It searches relevant sources, compiles findings, and sends back a structured summary with citations. You turn that into a client deliverable or your own content piece. The research phase that used to take 3 hours now takes 15 minutes. Most tutorials will show you how to set up one specific workflow. But the real power comes from combining multiple skills and triggers into complete service offerings. Email management plus calendar scheduling plus document generation equals a full executive assistant service. Social listening plus sentiment analysis plus response drafting equals a reputation management package. Data collection plus report formatting plus scheduled delivery equals an analytics service. The beauty of the Hostinger setup is scalability. You start with the KVM2 plan. As your client base grows and you need more resources, you upgrade anytime without migrating servers or reconfiguring everything. Your workflows stay intact. Your skills remain installed. You just get more processing power and storage. Plus, Hostinger includes free weekly backups and snapshots so you have easy recovery if anything breaks. And their Cody AI assistant helps you manage server tasks if you need guidance. If you want to run OpenClaw without limits and save serious money compared to hosted solutions, use the link in my description and apply my coupon code at checkout to get an additional 10% off all yearly VPS plans. That stacks on top of the already low pricing and locks in your rate. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level.